And this is the Skimate. It has produced since yesterday when we cleaned after the weekend, and just 30 hours operation, and here is the result. It's skimming so hard, it's skimming so fine, and this is the kind of foam we have inside the cup. We're so enthusiastic of the operation. Now we do together the maintenance to the skimmer. So since we have the skimmer plugged into the waver, we put the skimmer now in feed mode. So we will see that the pump won't be producing any air bubble inside the body, but it's still working. So we can now remove the cap very easily. And we go to clean it. The pump is producing just water, and we can adjust through the waver, we can adjust quantity of air bubble. For the feed mode, for the maintenance, we have reduced the power just to have no air introduction in the body, so it's easier to do the cleaning. But you can do whatever you prefer. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and Facebook channel. Have a nice day and happy reefing.